I wanna be forever young. So what I see here is that I think the range will expand. The current range. I don't know if it's in the middle right now. I don't know if it's going to expand lower or higher. Like, it could go higher, but still have to have a setup to be able to trade. Forever young. Oh, me. Forever young. Wow. Forever young. La 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 la. Anti-breakout, I guess. Anti-breakout, I guess. So I did lower my risk. It's lowered. I cut my risk by 30%. Because I need to. Alright, this looks like a breakout to the upside. Breakout in trend squash. However, it's totally in range, isn't it? It's totally freaking in range. But we'll take it. 2.75. 6 contracts. Forever young, I wanna be. Forever young. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Na 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 na. We're in. This low is 99.99975, 99.50, 399, 3.5 with one contract is $175. 7 apples risk. This is perfect risk. 7 apples risk. Seven apples risk right now. Forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever. Mm-hmm. Seven apples risk right now. That's our normal risk now instead of 10. So we can maybe live through the drawdowns a little bit more. This was a 15-minute breakout in trend squash. Range, total range. Right in the middle of range, actually. All right. Crude oil. So let's take a look at this. This was yesterday. It pushed lower. I remember that. And in the overnight, it's been just playing inside the range that it's created. Here's the overnight range. Really just going back and forth, just chilling where it's supposed to be. I wonder if it's gonna break any side of it because it's really in the middle. Holy fuck, that's hot. That's hot. Very, very warm. Forever young, I'll be forever young. I feel like that would work. Down, down, no, 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 no. I would use tight. I would do tight too. What is this, 0.08? 11, so I just do one contract. We're in long. Forever young. Three minutes. The 5 minutes better. We added full size now. .08. Where's my risk? Risk to 26. 36 to 26. That's 100. That's 200 bucks. That's 8 apples. Nice. Full size at looks like 0.25 R. Bringing this from about 3.5 apples, 3.6 apples to 8 apples risk. 8 apples risk. That's good position sizing. And at 714, 9085 zone number, is that correct? Yes. And this was a 5-minute holding zone. I'm in a holding zone outside local distal line, protecting free space of 1. Recency is 2, 3. Magnitude is 2, 3. X score is, looks like 2.25. And then what else? What else is, it's a low trait and tight. I made the distal line a little tighter just to shave off a little bit of risk. It's gone, I think, 0.5R. 25%, 0% pivot in zone. And that's all we can do. That is good. That is delish. Forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever and ever young. Let's take a look at crude oil. Yeah, we can look at crude oil. I wanted to see the volume of this morning too. So this was last week. That's good. But this is into this morning here, which would include 0.7. So the red can include this morning and overnight. Everything's overnight. The whole volume. Okay. So ES would, right? It would go up towards that volume. I don't know. Seems like it would. It didn't in the overnight. The overnight just drifted lower and lower, and then it's bounced a little bit here. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one. I would assume so, but I don't know. Gold, this zone was used in the overnight. Okay. Gold, I think, is really normal, where everything's at the normal price. Let's take a look at gold's volume. Yep, trading pre-market. A pre-market day. Pre-market. All right. So what we see is, yeah, last week's volume is here. There's really no overlap. We have not, used last week's volume. It's all this week right now, and it's a huge push lower, and we're trading here, and it seems relatively okay to be around here. If we rotate up, we can do a full rotation upwards towards 660s, in my opinion. In my opinion, all the way up to the next volume chunk, which is up here. So, is it going to bounce? No, I think it'll just continue on south. Let's take a look at the daily. But if it does bounce, it'll go, in my opinion, all the way up to here, which is a decent bounce. Wouldn't be horrible. No, it wouldn't. Wouldn't be horrible. I can see that happening. Still sitting at this low, acting like it's going to continue. I wonder. Yeah, I mean, this is yesterday's high is a big deal, I think. It's a holding split. Or is that yesterday? That's yesterday? 11-11, Monday high. Wait, why was that on the daily then? Forever young. 11-11. Oh, in the overnight. Okay. Overnight. Overnight created that high. Do you really want to live forever? Forever. Forever. Yeah, this is doing nothing. ES is coming back against me here. Crude oil is still at break even. This is not a trade right now. What do I have to check? Clean and clear, clean and clear, clean and clear. Gotta be clean and clear. Clean and clear, clean and clear. Forever young. Do you really want to live forever? I don't know. For gold, I just don't know. Yeah, actually, all of them I don't know. I'm not sure. So, soybean oil is an interesting fella. Interesting little feller. I think it's rather bullish, dude. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. I got nothing. I'm gonna wait. Oh. Okay. So, crude oil, we are long, and we're not feeling it. Oh, it's gone 1R, though. 1R, gonna trail your stop to Piz. It's gone to 1R, trail your stop to Piz. Alright. This low is 28. That's fine with me. What does that mean? 36 to 28, that's 8 ticks. 80 bucks. 80 bucks times 2 is 160 divided by 25. 6.4 apples. Piz, when it went 1R, from 8 apples to 6 point something apples. 6.4 apples. Risk. So risk is good, but doesn't look that good. What about, yeah, that's what it happened. Wow. Wow, gold. What can I do with gold? This is the sloppiest breakout in trend squash ever if I want to go long there. That is super duper sloppy, bro. Can't do that. What am I looking for breakout in trend squash is basically it goes up, comes down less, and then it starts curling up. That's what I'm looking for, and that's just not what that is. Like, that didn't rise very much. Okay. chill with this here. Forever young. You really want to live forever, forever and ever. Forever young. I want to add risk on ES, but I can't because I don't double size. I can't double size, and I don't. Crude oil just got stopped. That was not a good trade to begin with. 90.85. I don't know. We just gotta be smarter with our entries. I know that. It's just not a good trade. Yeah. It's in the past. Be clean. Try to be clean and clear. Clean and clear. Clean and clear. Now it's going up. We'll see about that though. And I think that's rolling up, bro. Is there anything we can do? Not really, bro. You just get stopped out and then it goes up. That's generally what happens. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I would have been stopped out anyways. Stopped the zone out. So I didn't lose as much as I should have, which is a good thing. But man, that looks bullish, bro. GC. Gold's still trying to go down, huh? Not any free space, dude. Nothing. There's nothing there. I can't do anything. I want to go short, but there's nothing I can do. What do you call this? If you get in short here. My goodness. It's just not okay, is it? What trade would that be? Breakout in trend, squash. Trend's down. Where's the pivot? Where's the pivot? Doesn't make any sense. You're trying to just trying to get in the market. Yeah, man. Sorry. Can't do that. Just gonna have to wait for your setup, bro. Just wait for it, man. Just wait for it. Crude oil is a ripper. She's a rippin'. She's a rippin'. Not really ripping, but you know. You know what I mean. We're long ES right now. Yeah. We're asking that this breaks this high and continues, but we'll see. It's gone 0.75R. Seems like it's a struggle right now. Do you want to move your stop to pivot in the zone? Yes, I do. I want to get in front of the market when it goes against me. This low is 1. I'm getting out at 0.75. Risking 2.25 here. 2.25. Oh my gosh, it's going right now. It's going right now. We are trailing our stop. Oh my goodness. OMG. I'm trailing it to 6, 7, to 7. What is going on right now? To 8. Holy shit. What is going on right now? I do not know what's going on, but I can't trail it so quickly. I'm just getting out. Why did I just get out? Because I just get fucking out. What the fuck? How am I supposed to handle that? You trail your stop, you bozo. I just get the fuck out. We just captured a lot. How on earth did this happen? What the fuck is going on right now? Some report. Oh my goodness. I just get the fuck out. Look. Sorry. I didn't follow my rules. Sorry. I didn't. Because I can't do it that quickly. It's just going fucking mad, bro. I'm not gonna do it that quickly. I can't. I got out at 6. I think 6 or so R. 6.5R, dude. I got out at 6.5R. Manual exit at 6.5R. I think we captured $800. Something like that. From there to there is 15.5. 15.5 on ES. I don't even know how many contracts I had. I think we had 1 or 2, maybe. I think we had 1. Yeah, $775 there. 31. Positive 31 there. Wow. I can't believe I didn't get wicked out. Thank God. That's awesome. Wow. What on earth? And no, I didn't trail my stop. Didn't trail it. It was just going too fast, bro. I was just going way too fast. Way too fast. What a gift. What a freaking gift. Christmas time. Just kidding. All right, 9.25R it went. And still counting. I'm just going to leave that be. We'll see what happens later on. But that, I got to take a picture of that. 9084. 9084 was some type of victory. Wow. What the fuck? Well, that was a 9. Well, we got a 6.5R out of that. Went 9. We would have been stopped out here anyways. So whatever. So this is the volatility right now. I guess there was a report this morning that I was not aware of. I'm never aware of reports because I don't even look at them. I'd rather just be no idea, man. Live under a rock. Not a single clue what's going on in this world of ours. Just focused on my thing. That was super fortunate. All right, so let's take a look at crude oil. Doesn't seem to be a setup for me. Even if you go upwards on it, it's not a setup. Maybe if it starts curling down and wants to break out short, then I could be involved. Let's take a look at gold. I probably think gold rose. Did something. So that's gold. Wicks out of a bunch of things here and turning around. Coming back to the origin of the move. The origin of the move generally gets defended. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's good with me. There's a holding split right here. That's for sure. That's for sure. I can lose, but I'm very sure that this is a setup for me. 1.4 on gold. 6 contracts. $19.3. We are in short. We're in short. My stop loss needs to be 20.6, 20.7. Where our stop loss is in, we'll get out of the market if this thing goes against us. We're going to take a confirmation entry at 19.2, short more if we got it. We're in more. We're in more. 90.86. We're full size now. 90.86. We're full size. Now we're holding. Now we're holding. We just got in full size. We did not trail our stop. Just got in full size. And we're holding. And we're looking like we're getting stopped here. And we're out. Darn it. That was... Oh my gosh. Seriously. 20.6. 20.6. Why did I get out? Did I do 20.6 or 20.7? Fucking A, bro. Whatever. I hate that. Oh my gosh. This might work. And I'm not on. Why? Why am I not on? I thought I did 20.7. Did I not go one more tick past? My goodness. Whatever. Oops. Whatever. Whatever, man. It just does that sometimes. I swear I don't know where I got out. Now I have to fucking hold on to this damn trade. I'm not in, and this thing's gonna run forever without me. That shit fucking happens. Why? How did I get out? Where did I get out? I was filled at 0.7, dude. I was filled at 0.7. That's not possible. Oh, on micros it is. MGCZ24. I just want to see. Just want to see if they're rigging me. The high is 0.7. You're right. The micros got away with it. Nope. Actually, the micros was one tick off. Gosh darn it, bro. That's so stupid. One fucking tick. Whatever. Yeah. No, I didn't get rigged. It wasn't. It was just fine. So let's take a look at what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? No, I'm gonna delete this trade now. It's over. I don't care if it does that. I'm out. We gotta describe the trade though. There it is. That's done now. 1 minute. This was a 1 minute holding split. That was perfect risk. Seriously perfect risk. Full size at 0R. Really perfect risk from 3.5 apples to 7 apples risk. Wonderful risk management. Wonderful. Eight apples. I think it was 8 apples. Fine, 8 apples. It was a bit narrow. 1.4. I think it was a good zone. Position sizing was good. How to trade is good. 737 maybe. 90.86 zone number. Is that correct? Just want to make sure. Correct. This was a 1 minute holding split. Protecting free space of 3. Recency is 2-1. Magnitude is 2-3. X score is, I don't know exactly. 2.25. Arrival strong. Arrival's 1. Okay, cool. And it went 0. And I think it went 0. Whatever. Ongoing. Where's gold going? We know our volumes here. Tapping into this high, I don't know if that'll hold, but there's a ton of free space above it. There's my zone up here that I really would rather go short at up here than anything to do with this high. So I'm not going to be bearish if it goes up. I would be bullish if it goes up for the time being. But we're just going to have to follow price. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. I'm gonna step away from that one. I'm not sure where that's going. Let's go back to crude oil. It's having a hard time at this high. It's trapped in range. Even if it were to break out of that range and go upwards and break these little highs, where's it headed to this high? It's not a breakout for me. It's nothing I can do because it's just in range. Yes, the time to buy in a range is at the bottom of the range, so it's not a bad idea. But that's not one of my setups. Not one of my setups. I can't do that. But if it starts curling downwards, I'm willing to go short on it. Let's take a look at back to ES now. ES is delivered. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at how far it went. It's still counting. Oh, man. It's continuation. This is trend right now. This is trend. So all trend trades are possible right now. Great anti-breakouts on the 1 minute. I don't know why I didn't do that. Why didn't I do that? Why didn't I do it? I don't know. I don't like the 1 minute chart. It's a little bit sloppy. Yeah. Forever young. Do you really want to live forever? And never. This looks like it's going to break the all-time high, dude. I know. It's way up there, but this trend is halfway there already. Yeah. No, I think my trail stop would have been hit. My trail stop would have been hit, dude. A 4-hour trail stop. I don't know. I'll look at it later. If I held the position right now, I would have made double money right now. Yeah, you're right. I don't know. I was just a little... It was just too much. It was too fast. I wasn't prepared for that. That's not normal anyways. To that candle, that ain't normal. Nothing we can do right now. Looking for red bars and then go long on it after the red bars, trying to look like a top. Any other trades? I mean, yeah, if it turns lower and holds it and then curls upwards and then I'd go long again. Everything's long except if it pushes away from this high and creates some free space between the high and current price, and then I'd go short for a breakout end of trend. Other than that, there's holding levels, and I'm not gonna take this as a zone. I don't like that. 1 minute setting up for an anti-breakout, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to do on a 1 minute chart. Too many. There's too much on the 1 minute. I have a 3 minute and a 5 minute chart. If I can't find trades on that, there's just, I don't need a 1 minute chart. Once in a while I do go down to the 1 minute. All right, so this is completely in range right now. I'm willing to go short. Willing to go short a little bit here. Where's the setup though? What's the setup? This is a push. This is coming back, and now it's starting to turn over red. That's the setup, huh? It's too many bars. I wanna be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever. Never young. Forever young. I think this will work. But it's too recent for me to take, and I know that, so I can't take it. I know that I can't take that. I like it though. Forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Recency is too little. Yeah, that thing's gonna break going lower. Oil shorts. Oil shorts. Definitely oil shorts. I'll be here for the retest. I need another bar to print, but we got another 4 minutes to wait, so gonna have to wait on that one. Yeah, that thing's goner. Alright, gold's coming down now too. Coming right back to the origin of the push-up. Let's see this thing slice right on through. No, I can't take shorts. I mean, where's the trend? There's a possibility to take shorts here. There is. There's a possibility. Are you sure? Yeah. Protecting free space of... Is that enough free space? Protecting free space of 1. That's not really enough free space, is it? I guess not. I guess not. You guess? Well, it's got to be definitive, man. You got to tell me. I think it's enough free space. It's free space of 1. That's breaking your rules, bro. Yeah, you're right. But I totally think it's going to go down. Fine. There goes oil. I would still take this retest short if it retests up here in this holding split area where it launched from. Yeah, there goes gold. Never mind. Now there's certainly no free space. All right. There's a possibility of a breakout in trend here. So push lower, comes back up. Now it starts curling downwards. If we see another red bar and some type of breakout short, we can be in. I'll wait. 369258. This 3-minute bar just printed. We'll wait. ES. Here we go. We've got some push lower. It's coming right back to a holding split here. It'll be interesting to see if this works. I don't like it. Look, I think it'll work, but I don't like it because I don't like how 3 times it's touched this low. 3 separate minutes. It's just too obvious, and I just don't like putting my stop there. I don't like having my stop right there, you know. So I'm not going to do it. I'm not taking that. I'm going to let that thing pass. But it is a setup. That's a setup long. If this reaches into here, that's a setup long, I think. Why not take it? 'Cause too many distal lines. It's just, I don't like that. I don't like putting my stop where everybody's stop is. There's a possibility that this thing can go down anyways. It's pushed from this low, dude. You gotta look at the 5-minute chart for a breakout. Alright, let's see it. We're gonna want to see this 5-minute bar retrace a little bit more than this. It's gotta retrace. It's gotta go green a little bit before getting involved. Before I would get involved short. I would do short against that zone that I was just looking at. Yep. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. 6 contracts then. There we go. No fold points, no nothing like that. Yep. Good. 20. I'm in at 19.75. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, mate. That would look like a holding split protecting free space. And there's a ton of free space pushing end of trend. This is exactly what I'm looking for. If it pushes lower. Now, the only thing is we are in a holding split outside local distal line with a rival of 2, strong rival. This in general is a good pocket of demand, but I don't know, man. Momentum's down right now. This momentum right here, right now, is down, and I will get in on it. This is as early as I can get in on it. Yes, sir. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? I would do it. I feel like I'm getting straight up tricked on these breakouts. Oh man, so many times it just tricks me. That's just what it is, man. It's just how it works. But I do like it. If we can see a push off of here, this is a holding split, man. Yeah, man. I think so, mate. We are involved. We're involved. 2.75. We are in for holding split here short. We're in half size right now. We're in half size right now. 90.87. We are in full size now. We're in full size now. Right now is when if it tricks me, it's fucked me up. It's fucked me over if it tricks me right now. We are in short right now. This is a battle between that little demand right there I was talking about on the 1 minute and my momentum. 22.75 is my stop. Gotta have it. 2.75 plus 2.75 plus 0.5. What is that? 3.25? I don't know. I'll call it 3.75. All right. 225 risk. 225 risk. Risk is good. 9 apples risk. This is good. Full size at 0.5R, 0.25R. From 3.5 apples risk to 9 apples risk. My goodness. Yeah, full size right now if we take a loss here. It tricks, bro. It tricks. This 1 minute, look at this 1 minute zone. I can see like, all right, this is a 1 minute zone, but look at all those stop orders on this low protecting free space. There's 3 minutes it's tapped that low. I don't know. Maybe it'll come up first and then go down. I don't know. I wouldn't trust that little low here. That's why I'm short. I'm just not trusting it. I'd rather be short than long. There's a 5-minute breakout, end of trend, protecting free space of 2 for sure. 0. Here we go. It's gone 0.5 R now. I would add, but I'm not. I'm already at full size, and I just don't add on. I'm just not an add-on right now. I just want to be as simple as I can. So no add-ons for me. It just complicates accounting, dude, really badly. If it goes 1R, I can trail my stop. That's all I'm looking forward to if it's possible. I'm not sure how far this thing can go at all. Not at all. If it goes 1R, 17.5. If it goes 17.5, I think we just got it. Just got it. Trailed stop to 75 now. That's my pivot in the zone. It's gone 1R here. And now it's at this 1 minute. Look at this. It's at the 1 minute low right now. We'll see if it pops. Pops. All right. Wow. There was some retracement. There was some people there longing. For sure. 21.5 is my stop. 21.5 is my stop. That's 2 points. 2 points of risk is $120. I'm risking 5 apples now instead of 9. Piz because it went 1R from 9 apples risk to 5 apples risk. Still I don't like the risk here, but there's nothing I can do there, man. I'm not trying to squeeze price too much. I can't do that. Cannot do that, my friend. We're up 8 apples on the trade at the moment. That feels like such a little amount, but you're right. I descaled risk. I'm risking 30% less now than yesterday and the days before because I go into too heavy of a drawdown, dude. My account can't handle drawdown like that. It's not okay. Way too heavy drawdown. 1.75 here. It's gone 1.75. Not sure how far it'll go. My zone for exits are nowhere. I don't have any zones for exits. I mean, I would exit if there's an entry signal against me. That's the only way I'd exit, and my mechanical trail stop. So I'll be on the lookout for that as much as I possibly can. This is a drop right now. This is heavy. All right. Did I take a good picture of that? Yeah, the 5 minute. You can take another picture of the 5 minute, see what happened there. That's what happened. I'm fearful that it'll go up, but that's just how it works, bro. It's just how it works. It's all right. Always fearful. There's not much I can do, you know. I'm just going to try to follow my plan. Follow the plan. I'm going to ride this as long as I possibly can. If it hits 3R, I'll tell you I'm trailing my stop to break even. And if it goes 5R, I'll trail my stop to 1R. And then I have a 4R trail stop. You know, that's my mechanical trail stop, but that's not how I wish to get out. I wish to get out by means of an entry signal against me and some type of chart formation against me. And that's what I have it drawn out, but I don't have much practice with it. So no guarantees. 2R. It's gone 2R with a 50% pivot in the zone. It did retrace 50. I got 5 apples worth of risk right now still. That's a lot. But I'm opening this up for potential. So let's just wait on that. Oil just dropped. No chance of getting filled on that one. It didn't retrace before it dropped. It just dropped without any retracement. Okay. So see you later, oil. It's pausing. For anybody who doesn't believe in technical analysis, look at where it's pausing. Look at where it's pausing. Why? Why is it pausing there? You have all the ticks in the world. If we don't believe in technical analysis, it could go anywhere. But it stops there. Why? Because it's a low, dude. It's a daily low. It's a weekly low. It's a big deal low. That's crazy. No, it's not crazy, actually, when you think about it. It's not freaking crazy. I'm still bearish on it. It's trends down, man. It is in range on the bigger time frame, though. But the momentum's down. What I see... Man, there's not anywhere to go in short. There's nothing I can do. Yeah, there's nothing, man. I mean, yeah, I see this too, but it doesn't look good. No, sir. I'm not taking that. I gotta mark that as a no, because fucking A, I would definitely try to take that. Alright, gold is ranging back and forth. ES has not hit 3R. It's gone 2.75. If it goes 3R, I know I can trail to break even. So I'll just leave it be. Forever young. Do you really want to live forever and ever? I think it's going to bottom at some point, bro. Because pre-market, I don't know. I'm just waiting ahead of 8:30. It's already created a good range on it for the daytime to play with. I think it's gonna bottom at some point, so we gotta be aware. If this thing starts forming a solid green bar, then I'm going to be interested in exiting. And also, if it creates a pattern downwards like a drop-based drop, and it actually does another drop, I would trail my stop to this base. If it drops. I wouldn't predict that it would drop. So, that's my plan. Has this gone 3R? Can I please trail my stop to break even, bro? Come on. Nope. It's gone 2.75. That is stupid. I'm not sure about that plan, by my friend. But it's alright. You can get out at an entry signal against you. It needs to create free space here on the bottom. It needs to create a legitimate bottom here, which it's on its way to doing. Uh-oh. It is on its way of doing. Yeah, we got to be aware of this one. 3 minute, that's not enough free space to get out. 5 minutes, neither, not either enough free space. We'll wait. It'll tell us. All right, so oil's gone. Oil left, and it fell out of bed. I'm not sure when he's gonna get up. He's just dying here. Daily, I want to get in on this trend because there's not been any retracements, so we want to get in this, honestly, and I'm sure everybody else is too. So if this is trying to, because there's really been no solid green, there has been no green bars in pretty much any time frame underneath 10 minutes. So I'm waiting for some green bars, and then we can short on them and join them. Hasn't been. Nope, there hasn't been. 369, yeah, I'm about 5 minute bars about to print, yeah. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold's doing nothing really, but I might consider going short on this. I'd consider going short on this. 5-minute bar, it's got 20 seconds left to print. Not the best idea, my friend. Not the best. Let's go to ES. Has this shown a bottom for me? Not really. No, if anything, it's more shorts. If anything, that's a short signal. If this pushes lower after it. That is not enough free space for me to get out. No, sorry. That's not an entry signal against me. I would be furious. I would be furious. This is an anti-breakout going up, going downwards. Now, if this continues upwards, then I'll get stopped out at mechanical trail stop. However, if this pushes lower and breaks this low, this blue line low, I will trail my stop to the distal line of this, which is... No, I would trail it to pivot in the zone. Excuse me. That's where I would do it. But it looks like this is going to be a turning point here. That's what it looks like. Yeah. What can I do? Not much, man. Not much. I can't do much. This is a good push. This is a great bottom now. What can I do? I just get out. It's looking like it's going against me. Well, is it an entry signal against me? No. Forever young. I would get out here. Why? It's the distal line of an anti-breakout. That's not in your rules to take, my friend. It's just not in your rules to take, so you can't do that. Let's see the 5 minute. If there's a solid, yeah, it's a big move. So if prints another bar and it comes down and then tries to break upwards, that's an exit for me. That's an exit for me. So we'll wait. Well, I have to wait. All right, we'll wait. Gold, I want to go short on, but there's not much. I can't really do anything. It's not showing anything that I can do. Crude oil, let's see if it rallied at all. No. Oh my gosh, this is another 5 minute bar? Another 5 minute bar that's just printed and it's just immediately goes down. There is no one buying. Where's the green bars? There's no green bars. I can't do anything. This thing's just absolutely gone without me. This is the best idea to go short on it up here. I don't know. I couldn't. It wasn't clean enough. I knew I couldn't do it. Couldn't take it. ES looks like it's at break even right now. This has gone up tremendously. Where is my exit? I tell you, if this thing forms another, if this thing prints as it is now and then goes up and breaks this high, I'd get out at this high. Just how I got out, just how I entered this trade, short. It was a big red bar and I enter at the low of that. Well, same thing, big green bar. I would exit at the high of that. That would be an entry signal against me. Therefore, I would get out of my trade. But until then, I am waiting. Until then, my stop's right there. Risking 5 apples still. It's a lot. All right. Gold is low volatility for the ES is larger volatility. It's interesting. Let's wait for crude oil to do something here. Yeah, I see this holding split too. I see it too. It was just an anti-breakout on the 1 minute. Not the greatest. Not the greatest, my friend. I'm not going to take that. It's just not that good, bro. It's just not that good. I don't know. Why is it not that good? It's small. It's pushed off of it tremendously. Yes, it's the only holding split in sight. Yes, it's not exactly lined up with the main low here. I'll tell you what, this is what it looks like. This is the tiny zone on the 30-minute, let's say that. That's where I'd go short. Really? You could. For the trend to continue. Yeah, that's true. It's possible. That's possible. Ugh. That's possible. I'd rather have another bar, maybe a 15-minute print. 5 minutes until this bar prints, and then the next bar comes up and taps into that. I'm fine with that. I actually would consider it. Weak split on the 5-minute. But that's fine. The 3 minutes really where we're at. It's an option. It's kind of small. For the volatility, that's a really tight zone, dude. So I'm not excited about it. That's all. I'm just not like excited. It's possible, bro. Do you want to take it or not? You gotta freaking tell me. You gotta tell me. I'll take it. I'll take it. We're in short. Our stop loss is here at 65. We're risking 60 bucks. We're risking 60 bucks right now. Risking 60 bucks. Risking 60. If we get in more, we'd get in at 57. And we're out. We're out. We're out. We're out. We're out. All right, 60 bucks. Half size. Well done. Yeah, something was off with that. Something was off. It just didn't seem that good. 2.4 apples. Risk. Oh, that's super small. Nice. You lost small on the loss. Well, I don't know how you did that. I don't know how you did that, my friend. ES is running right now. I got a trail stop on ES. We got to get to that. This was zone number 9088. All right, that one's done. You got to describe the trade and do all that stuff, but first you got to trail your stop on ES, my friend. My friend, my friend, my friend. You got to trail your stop, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 0.07. What a freaking bottom on oil here. What a freaking bottom. One, two, three. All right. OE of 2. Narrow. Went 0 NA. Hold on. Position sizing is excellent. Actually, it's too small of position sizing. I'm going to say no there. Yeah. Too small of position sizing? How can you do that? That rarely happens. All right, take a look at ES. It's coming back against me now. So we got to figure out ES. So it's come up. Breakout entrance squash. Your distal line needs to be your stop. This needs to be your stop. 20. This is on 22. Yeah, I'm out at 20. Darn. I'm still risking freaking 2 ticks. You shouldn't do that. That's what it is, bro. That's what I have to do. All right. So what I'm looking at is this is my trail. This is my stop now. It's gone 3R, so I trail my stop to proximal line. Forever young. You really want to live forever. Yeah, we could have just got out. Yes, you're right. You're right. But I still can. I still can get out. I'm looking for entry signals against me. That's what I'm looking for. You have to be vigilant. Because these are the trades that if it comes up and I make nothing, well, that kind of sucks, right? That sucks. I don't want to make nothing. I'd rather make something. So, Let's try to get out early. If it's coming up against us. Is there any way to get out early? Not really. Yeah. Proximal because it went 3R. From risking 5 apples to risking nothing. Risk free on that. We'll wait on that. 3-minute bar might do it. Protected free space of 1. That's a good print for the 3-minute bulls. That's just not protecting enough free space, bro. You can't do that. That looks aggressively like a bottom. Right here, if that goes up and folds green, my friend, isn't that a good trade against me? Well, it's not an entry, that's for sure. It's not an entry. It's not an entry against me. For sure not an entry. I would not go along there. So then you don't get out there. Let's take a look at oil. It has bounced. Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. Holy bottom. Is it going back in range? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, it's touching range right now. It's touching where it's bounced from. This is a tremendous bounce. What? This is odd. I'm not sure about this because I'm totally was involved short, but this is way past getting in short. This is way too much of a bounce to be considered a short in trend. This is not. The trend's up right now. Trend, momentum, I don't freaking know what the word is, but shit's up. Shit is up. This is a huge buy. No, I do think that this zone will work. I can't take that. Totally will. It'll work, dude. I know it. I know it. But it doesn't matter. I can't do that. I know I can't do that. The magnitude is crazy. Meaning, I would take this zone if it stopped like around this first horizontal line, but it's gone past this one and it's gone this far deep. It's just too deep of a zone to be able to take. Can't do that. Let's hop back to ES. I want to time my exit here as much as I can. It's gone and hit a demand open. If this turns green, that's very bullish. However, is it an entry signal against me? No, but it's fucking bullish, bro. It looks great for the bulls. You can't take that, can you? Well, I'd like to get out if that happens. Why are you contemplating? Is it one of the setups that is against you? No, it's not specifically an exit. So you just can't take it then, my friend. Wow. Fine. Fine, so be it. So be it. Crude oil is interesting. We'll see. We'll see. There's a holding split here that I'm going to consider taking here. I'll consider taking longs here. I know. Counter trend? Eh. Depends, man. Depends on what the trend is. I don't know what the trend is at this point. My holding levels don't need to be in trend. They don't need to. Ooh, I do not like that. I don't like that distal line. Forever young. I'll just bring it up. I'm using my wrist box a little bit upwards just because I don't want to get stopped out there. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? I'm getting in at 68. I'm getting in long at 68. Shorts at, stop loss is at 60. ES is coming against me now. Big time. There's the move upwards. OMG. That looks really aggressive to the upside here. Really aggressive. It's so aggressive. My stop loss is up here at this bubble. I don't know. I'm just going to let my stop get hit then. Why don't I get in against me? Because it's not an exact entry against me. It's not an entry against me. It looks like it. Sure, certainly looks like it, but it's not. It's just not, my friend. It's just not. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. We are in long on oil right now. We just got in long oil. Our stop loss is just ran over like a bus. Nice. Just ran like a bus. Risking half size on that. That's excellent. Even less than half size, to be honest with you. 3.5 apples. Excellent. Excellent position sizing. 3.5 freaking apples. Nicely done. 90.89. I like having smaller risk because I lose all the time usually. That's pretty nice. Negative 3.5 apples. It doesn't hurt as much. 0.08. That was a small zone, but that was a trade for me for sure. I've seen those work. Position sizing's good. 90.89. This was a 3-minute holding split tight, protecting free space of 2. Recency is 2.3. No, 2.1. Magnitude of 2.3. 3.2. X score of 1, 2, 3. Maybe 3.25 there. Arrival is strong. Arrival is 1. All right. That's it. Yeah, I thought that was a fine trade. Whatever. It didn't work. Yes, I know. As far as I know, this is creating a complete setup downwards right now. This thing is looking like it's going down and actually going lower. So this bottom was a false bottom, perhaps. There's not much I can do to get in short. Not much right now. I mean, I can just press the sell button. That's true. Nothing's preventing me from doing anything I want. That's true, man. But that is a lost cause if I do that. All right, go to ES. This thing is so bullish, bro. It's so bullish. Why can't I get out? Because it's not a setup, is it? Is this a breakout in trend squash? It's going up. It's coming down. That's your breakout in trend squash. All of fucking E score of 3, maybe. 1, 2. X score of almost 3, my friend. That's not it. That's certainly not it. Sorry. Sorry, mate. Sorry. But yeah, it looks bad. It looks like I'm just gonna lose at break even. That's fine. It's fine. Well, these are the moments, man. No, this is not an entry signal against me. I can't do that. I'm just trying to follow my plan, my exits. It's not an entry signal, so it's not an exit signal. Okay? My trail stops at break even. Cannot do that, my friend. You can't do that. If it goes lower and hits this blue line, then I can trail to the whatever PIZ it created, pivot in the zone it created. That's my plan. Let's go back to gold, see if it's done something. It has not. Yeah, it has not, dude. Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen with that one. This looks really maintained. I don't know. Someone's got control of this one. Alright, ES is coming against me. Yeah, still nothing I can do. Nope. I'm gonna let that destroy me. I'm gonna let it. Forever young. I want to live forever.
The future of your business is here. With Wix, you get advanced AI capabilities.
I wanna be forever young.
I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever and ever. Forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever young.
And now, all right, we'll see about this. ES is just about to light up here. Forever Young. 1775 needs to be my stop if it goes lower. Otherwise, I'm out. 1775, 1775, 17.5. Call it 17.5. If it goes lower and hits this blue line, 17.5. Otherwise, I'll just get knocked. Looks like that might happen. I don't know. 17.5, I'm out. If that happens. You really wanna be forever. Never young, forever young. Never. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. What is this high? 18. I'd get out at 18 flat if it goes lower. Forever young. Really wanna be forever and never, never young. Dun 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 dun. We must understand that a trade is very temporary, and that's why we have to protect ourselves, mate, as soon as we can, with some type of logic, mate. Some type of logic. You can't just randomly, because randomness is not good. We just want some type of basis for where we place our stops. This thing fakes to the upside and goes downwards. That makes an anti-breakout, so that's where I'd put my stop, as at that distal line. But if it doesn't fake, like right now it's not faking, it seems like it's actually gonna push upwards. Okay, then if it actually does push upwards, I'm out at break even right here. I'll just be out. But if it fakes upwards like it has and now pushes down and breaks this actual low here, that's a trend-worthy movement. As a downtrend, in there I'd put me stop right at wherever it pivoted from. But right now it's struggling to do that, so I'm likely getting stopped for break even now. It was a good trade altogether. It was a good trade. But you know, it still has a chance right now. We'll see. I just got to pay attention to where it goes, that's all. I want to do my strategy correctly. So all eyes on this one. Yeah. Technically my stop loss should be at 20, but that's not where my break-even price is. 19.25 it is. So I'm getting out early. Yes, I'm well prepared to accept my fate. If it goes and stops me out and then goes down, it's just like, wow, that wasn't my plan. Yes, you're right. You're right. And it's just what I'm going to do. It's what I'm going to have to deal with. I don't like having risk on right now when it's going against me. So I just get out. That's what I do. This looks definitely like it's going upwards here. Looks bullish. Oh my goodness, mate. What are you doing? What is going on with this thing? Can I get my stop there? No. Just leave it be, mate. Just let your stop be hit. Nothing you can do to prevent that happening. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm just like 4 ticks away from getting stopped right now. We'll see. Forever young, I wanna be. Oh my gosh, oil just resumed. Wow, what a big retracement, and then it just absolutely gets pummeled. I can't believe it. That is big. That's a big deal. No, I couldn't have been in anyways. I couldn't be in that. None of the setups that I have would be able to be allowed there. Down. No. No. Nothing I could do with that one. Forever young. No. ES has got to push lower for me to do that. GC is doing what I thought it would do. However, I could not get in. I don't know how to get in that. Yeah, that thing's going, bro. I think it's got a lot more room to go to. That was a breakout in trend squash. It was just a really messy one. So I don't know if I can do that one. ES is it has pivoted away. I'll just trail it to 19. It's only one more tick, so that's fine with me. If it touches this high again, I'm out. I'm just gonna be out. And that's unreasonable. Isn't it unreasonable? Yes, but and that's not in your plans, is it? No. But if it breaks that, I think it's going to break this proximal line anyways. So now you're risking saying that if it hits 0.5 R again, it's going to hit 0 R where your stop is, right? Yes, that's what I'm saying. So why risk a half risk box when I don't have to? Okay. I feel you on that, mate. I feel you on that one. I confirm that it's okay. It's not in your rules, but you're doing it for as a means of saving money, not as a means of hope or trying to allow it to run for you. No, you're not doing it in those terms. So it's okay. The high is 18.75. That is my stoop. My stoop is right there. That's about 2 ticks. Not worth it, really. 3 times 1250. 37, about 1.5 apples. All right. 1.5 apples positive on my risk now. Pivot. Anti-breakout. Once. 0.75 R was hit. Once 1 R was hit. E is 1.5. Yeah, now it's coming back. All right, now I'm out if that happens. That was a good trail. Look, nothing much you can do, man. Pivot anti-breakout E 1.5 once 1 R was hit. My risk on the trade is positive 1.5 apples. Yeah. That's where it lines up. Yeah, now I'm getting out. Fuck. Yeah, I'm getting out. Then I'm out. If that goes up, I'm out of here. It can play around, but I'm out if that happens, man. That is the finality of my trade. 3.75. 3.75. The finality of my systems trade. Not my trade, my system. My systems trade. Nothing to do with me, man. Alright, so oil. I actually don't know what's going to happen in oil. I don't. It confused me from the very beginning. This is, looks like it wants to come back in range, but technically that's a anti-breakout to go short on. The trend's low, man. The trend's down. If this thing pops upwards, we want to go short, but man, I don't like where my stop is. I don't like that. I don't like that. Just don't. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's doing the same. It's pushing, man. It's really pushing. Anywhere we can get in, no, nothing that I can see of right now. You can get in short on the momentum here if you want to go short. I don't like it. I don't love it. It's not really any. It's just not really it. I'm gonna let that pass. I get it. I understand the short, but yeah, I understand it. Do you want to get involved? It's not end of trend. It's in the middle of range, bro. I'm not really interested in that. I want an end of trend. That's not really the same family right there. Yeah, the trend's slightly up. It's just really rangy. I'm not interested. Let's take a look at bean oil. Bean oil has decided to leave everything behind. I can't believe it. Look at that. Straight up predictable. Man, I don't know. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. I don't know. I don't know. I was thinking it would go up. Maybe this is a smaller volatility day that we can have on bean oil. It's already gone down a lot. Can we go past that? I doubt it. I doubt that. But it's already done a comeback bar prevention and now breaking the low. That's just it's a sell signal, man. For the higher time frames, at least. All right. ES is just having a hard time doing anything for me here. But there's not much I can do on that one. The 60-minute, let's take a look. 60-minute looks... I don't know if it wants to go up and attack this high at all. Or go down. I don't know. I don't know. We just know that our stop's in place to protect ourselves, and that's it. That's all we can do. Looking like we'll get stopped here. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? There it goes, huh? Wow, okay. I might consider going short now. Dude, what is the defining factor? Protecting free space in the middle of range. That's what you take, dude. All right, ES is out. ES is out. I might consider going short here. No fold points. I know. That's so stupid, but... I wanna be forever young. Three contracts of GC. Three contracts of GC at this low, 12.6. Yeah, if that turns down, that looks bearish, man. Protecting some free space, I would take that. It's just not really at the end of trend. I don't know. ES is out. It's over and done with. We got out. Had to get out there. That's what it looks like. We made nothing on that. we made 1 apple. I think 1.5 apples, even though we were up 20, almost 20 apples at one point. Yeah, that's just it. That's my system right there, in a nutshell. It turned against me. Sometimes it'll turn against me, maybe down further, but it happens to be at like 0.5 R near break even. That's where it turned. So that's what happens. We'll let that thing expire. I don't know. I mean, going long on it, it's possible. It's possible. GC looks like it's happening here. Go to GC on the 3-minute. Cancel your order. That is not a trade. Even though I think it's going, bro. I think it really is going. It's not one of your trades now for sure, unfortunately. I think it's going to run though. I'm going to take a quick break. A quick break ski. Man, if this thing runs up, so wow. Yeah. All right. If this thing goes upwards, that's attacking the high, man. That's a possibility. That's a possibility. What's the E-score on this? 1, 2. That's a possibility to go along. I don't want to be tricked. That's what it is, though. That's a breakout. It comes down, curling and attacking the high. That is a breakout in trend squash. It's a little bit further away from the high than I wanted, though. It's a little bit much for me. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to just leave it be. I'm not going to take it. I'm going to take a quick break. All right, peace. All right, we're back. back. On the phone and stuff. Dude, I was in this trade short. I got knocked out here. Shit just goes. How do I catch these things, bro? I gave it every reasonable doubt that I could. I could not have caught that. Sorry. You know what I'm saying? Like, sorry. There's no way I could have caught that thing, man. 15-minute bar totally worked on this breakout. This thing's bullish right now. Anything I can do to do that, that'd be great. So that basically means red bar. I'd get in short for an anti-breakout. We're going to be involved 369, 258, 147. So we got 1 more minute until this bar prints. I'm interested in going long. It's going to be about a 10-cent wide on crude oil. I'm interested in going long oil. It has bounced tremendously from the bottom. I don't know. Yeah, the volume may come back to volume. I'm not sure. It's bounced, bro. Huge bounce. So the trend's up. And from my little ant view, the trend's up. So I'm willing to ride that. So let's take a look at that. It'd be about 9 contracts of MCL. Let's just wait until this bar prints in about 8 seconds. I would be interested in going long, but it has to set up properly. This should print. I want it to go up, touch that open, and then come down. Then I get in long. If it just rushes downwards, I'm not going to be in long. No. That's not a setup of mine. Looks like it might do that. So I wouldn't be involved. Nope, I'd wait. Now it's brought that down even more. Falling slowly. Take this sinking and turn it time. Yeah, I think it could get bought up, but it's not a setup for me now. I was wanting it. What a turnaround for bean oil. Nice job on bean oil. I'm getting in on bean oil. I'm getting in. I'm definitely getting in on that. I'm in on bean oil. We got a reversal here. This is a reversal for sure. We're going to get in more. We just got in more now. I got to mark risk. Is your risk proper? You didn't even measure on this one. You just got in because you're excited. My friend, that is outlawed. Why'd you do that? It looks great, bro. Shit happens quick. I know I'm not risking super amounts of money, but yeah, I gotta make sure that this is in risk proper right now. My position sizing. Excellent move upwards on bean oil. This is a bottom here. That's what I'm saying. I'm asking for a bottom on bean oil. The bottom on the bean oil. The bottom on the bean oil. The bottom on the bean oil. We'll see. Most of the time I lose, so we gotta be prepared. 3 minute. This stop loss needs to be at this low, which is $45. 45 flat is my low. Actually, one more tick than that. 17 ticks. Oh boy, 17 ticks, my friend. Are you sure that's your risk? I'm risking $204. That shouldn't be more than, oh my gosh, 8 apples. This is perfect risk. Somehow you line that up perfectly. 8.2 apples. Position sizing's correct, even though I didn't measure. Just saying, that's a little bit risky there, partner. 923 entry, 9090 zone number. We're asking for this to be the bottom. There is a holding level. Uh-oh, there's a holding level here. I just noticed that. Shit. Oh, shit. What's the daily look like? Oh, the daily. No, I'm not getting out. I will not get out. We're going to have to fight through this holding level because right now there is supply here, in my opinion. There's sellers there for sure. For sure. For sure in an unsure world. I'm for sure in an unsure world. That's not possible, man. It's a contradictory statement. You can't be sure. Full size. I got in my last entry at full size at 0.25R. Risking 4 apples to now risking 8.2 apples. I moved stop to Piz. 75% Piz because there is none Piz when it went 1R. Bringing my risk from 8.2 apples to take this sinking 05. 05, which is about 11 ticks, $132, 5.3 apples risk. Bringing my risk down to 5.3, so we'll wait on that. It has gone 1R. Describe the trade. It was a 3-minute breakout, end of trend, protecting free space of... Shit, that might be a 1. I'm not sure. That's going to be a tough one to say. I don't know. I mean, it's just barely enough free space to show. Yeah, that's just barely enough free space for me. Yep, that's it for me. There is a holding level against me right now. We're fighting. We're going to allow it to fight. I'm fine with that because the daily has so much room upwards, dude. Look at the daily. It is aggressive. Down. It was down 3%. Now it's down 2%. And if it really wants to turn around, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to hold on. And if it actually wants to push, I'm going to be in that. I'm going to try to be in that at least. Yeah. Lonely pivot up here. This is probably where I would get out. This is definitely where I'd get out of this trade. If it happens to go all the way up there, that would be unreal. All right, go back to crude oil. Crude oil is ripping, and yeah, see you later, partner. Oh, the anti-break. No. Sorry. I wouldn't have been in. I wouldn't have gotten in anyways. I like that zone, but I couldn't have gotten in. It just did it without me. It's goner, dude. It's an absolute goner. This trend is up, man. Trend is up. Trend is up for sure. It's confirmed. Gosh, I couldn't do anything about it, man. If it retests this, I'm interested in retest of this holding split down here, but now it's just a little bit risky if it comes all the way down there. So yeah, not much I can do about that. It seems like it's running up towards where volume was. I'm gonna refresh volume to 9 o'clock. To 9 o'clock here. I just want to see what happened in this push. I'm gonna spread this volume out a little bit. Spread it out. All right, here we go. So it's running right back into volume. I don't know. I don't know what'll happen. Wow. Let's take a look at ES. ES is probably just wild. I don't know what is going on with ES. It's staying. I thought it was staying in range. I don't know if it broke out. I haven't looked at it for a little bit. I don't know if it broke out lower. No, it's still staying within range. Crazy. Crazy that it can't escape from where it's comfortable. It's a magnet of price around in the where all the agreement is. It's a normal distribution. That's where price is chilling, until it breaks out. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. I don't know if it wants to break out lower. Let's take a look at the ES on the daily chart. Just a higher time frame picture. Oh, wow. It looks like it's coming up here now. Wow. Yeah, on the daily, looks bearish if it goes down. So I'm interested in going short on this thing. I'm going to take an anti-breakout. This is really risky, isn't it? Isn't that risky? Yeah. It's an in-trend anti-breakout. Yeah, it is. That's what it is. So I'm going to take that. 5.75 on the ES. 3 contracts that'll be for original entry. I'm about to get stopped out on bean oil. We tried our best on that one. We did. We tried our best. 7.75. Call it 8. Oops. Call it 8. I was confident in that. It's funny how that happens. Right when you're confident, you just get rolled over on. You know? Alright. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out of bean oil. I gotta take a picture and close that one up. We were risking 8.2 apples on that. Lost 5.3 because I trailed it. We're gonna be short ES if this thing rallies. It basically, what I'm asking for, this thing looks like it's bottoming. Look at all these green bars. Look at all this aggressiveness. Oh man, this thing might push upwards. Right when it looks like it wants to push upwards, we squash it like a bug. Why? Because it's a downtrend. At least that's what it looks like to me. But it is in range, so I could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. Yeah, I can't believe it, but this thing retests this zone here, and it's leaving without me. It just had to stop me out first and then go. That's fine. Cool. Cool, bean oil. Yep, just stop me out first. It's all good, bro. Just stop me out by 1 tick and then go up. This holding level, we knew this holding level was a problem and it was a threat. But we played our odds against it, and that's just what happens, man. That's just what we're going to have to deal with. Wow. We were really excited about it and everything, you know? Man. We're short on ES now. We are short on ES. Short on ES on this one. Bean oil still rolling, but I effed that up. It didn't, yeah, it couldn't do it. It couldn't operate. We're short on ES. We got to take a picture of that one. We got in at 932. This is zone number 9091. Position sizing's correct. We're going to get in short again if this thing wants to go our direction, but just wait. Just wait. Right now it's still going against me, so I don't want to get in when it's going against me. Like, look at this bottom right now. This is a green, man. If this thing wants to keep going, I will be wrong. But right now I'm risking 3.5 apples. We're half size. I just don't want it to get me full sized to then eventually lose. So right now we're just chilling. If this thing wants to push lower and fake, then we're going to get involved short. Short more to full size. But right now we're half size. And just how I want to be. This is why we go half size first, because this thing can just light against me. Just a fucking slice right on through. We're risking really small amounts. Well, half size. Yep, this looks like a bottom. We're gonna ride it until we get stopped out. That's just what we're gonna do. Yep. We're not stopped out yet somehow. One more tick and we're getting stopped out. That is a really strong bottom here. This is a really strong bottom. Yeah, I definitely was wrong here. We're half-sized wrong. That's good. 0 NA on that one. That one's broke. Negative 3.5 apples. This is not a downtrend anymore, to me. Oh, I didn't take a picture of it. Alright, there you go. This is not a downtrend. This is now range-bound marketplace. Range-bound marketplace. This is complete range. Holy smokes. I don't know. I don't know. Take this sinking and turn it on. I'm not sure, mates. I'm not sure. Oh, oil's giving me a chance. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Oil's giving me a chance here if it wants to look like it pushes down. We are going to get in long. And I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. It might give us a chance. Is this going to be my second entry? Did I get in before? No, I haven't got in. So that would be 8 contracts if it goes lower. Man, this might not do it though. No, it could. Unless you think that the trend will continue lower. You mistimed it earlier. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure about that one. What's bean oil doing? Oh, bean oil broke this zone altogether. Wow. Right when I thought this thing is going to roll. This holding level just prevents. Just absolutely prevents. Wow. Not good. Not good at all. That one's done. Well, we lost less than we needed to. That's a good thing. I was thinking that would be the bottom. This is, yeah, I can't do anything about it. This looks like a good holding split though to work. I'm gonna need that to hold on. Crude oil, we are interested in going long here. This 5-minute bar, we have to wait. It's about half done, which means it could break lower. 0.12 is the risk on this. So that means you need 7 contracts of MCL. 7 of them. I would do it. I'm in there. I'd do that. 47. I'm in at 47. My stop loss at 36. Not a penny less. Nope. No hope. No hope in me. I don't have any hope. This is an anti-breakout kind of end of trend here, but I'm saying the trend's up. This trend ain't up, is it? Are you sure you want to do this? Well, consider the other option is this way. This is, I don't know. I don't know. It looks like it's fine to me. It looks like it's fine. So that's what I'm going to do. We are not involved yet. It's got to go down one more tick to get me in. Otherwise, it's not, I'm not going to be involved. Oh my, this might leave without me. This might leave without me here. Yeah, this might leave without me. Just on the broken side. Wow, 1 tick away. I just had to be stingy with my entry, didn't you? You just had to be stingy. Really? You just had to be stingy like that? Really? That's what you had to do. Yeah, I'm going to cancel this order. I don't like that, dude. I want the first in. It went 0.5R already. Now it's coming down against the trade. I don't... You can still take it, man. All right, I'll take it, but I'm getting a fucking deal on it. 44. I'm getting a hell of a deal on this if this goes down. In that case, I'd get stopped out. That's fine. I get half size, even less than half size. So fine with me, man. If it runs up, I'm out. I'm not going to do it. Take this sinking and turn it on a time. I'm canceling the order for oil. Didn't like it anyways. The 5-minute bar printed, so that's why. I need entry on that bar. Otherwise, it's not a trade for me. I still think it can go up. But whatever. Nothing I can do with it. Gold. I haven't seen gold for a little bit. Oh, yep. I knew it. Oh, it didn't break. All right, so it didn't go into my zone. I knew it being... I knew I should have taken this trade. Thank goodness it didn't enter because I hate that. Missing out on a trade sucks. I didn't place the entry there, yeah. That sucks. Alrighty. As far as this goes on the higher time frame, it's kind of trapped. I don't know what the daily looks like. Gold's gone down a lot off of its all-time high. That's a really far move, man. It's a lot. So we'll see about this. I probably would go short up here. Except I would move this all the way up here. On the other side of it. Please don't know me. Down, 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 down. 2.0. I would take that. Short. 2.0. 4 contracts needed. This high plus 1. 9.0. My stop loss is at this high. 10.9. Okay. 1 tick past the high. Yep. So we would take this holding split. Yep. We would do it. Yeah, we'll just sit on that. Crude oil. So it did rally. Wow. It fucking did. And it worked. Unbelievable. Holding split worked. Everything worked. Wow. Don't know how far it'll work, but that looks bullish, man. Do you want to go long on it? Yeah, I probably should. Shouldn't I? Probably should go long. Yeah, not in trend range. Needs to be moving. Got it. Roger that. Roger that, mate. Roger that. Roger that. All right, gold might get entry soon. ES, I don't know what's going on with it. I'm not sure. It comes back, retests this zone, and then leaps again. I would assume that this would hold sell orders then. That's bullish, man. Yeah. We're up not very much. We're up 10 apples. Or less than that. $232. But with commissions probably, less than that. I don't know. Falling slowly. Knowing now. It's a breakout. That's a long right now. Can't take it though. Can't take it.
To more than they're meant will play themselves out.
Take this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your woeful voice. You had a choice.
You make it
Wow. Things slowly. Wow. Gold's getting close to entry. Put enough down enough help.
take
This sinking bone and point it home. Still got time. Raise your soulful voice. You have a choice. And now.
falling slowly, sing your melody. I'll sing it
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, oil's a goner. I couldn't get a hold of it. It's so slippery. 3 times I tried. I tried to get in long here. And then here. I tried to get in long. It just didn't set up. No. Excuse me. Right here. I didn't get in. Tried there. I tried to get in here. Couldn't do it. I couldn't get in. It was 1 tick away from entry, and then I said, fuck it. Yeah. It was at 47, my entry was, and it went to 48. And then the bar printed, and then I'm like, all right, I'm not going to take entry anyways. Couldn't have happened anyways. Didn't get to 47. I couldn't do anything with that one. Couldn't do it, man. All right, we're short gold. We're short gold for holding split outside local distal line. Protecting free space of 2 or 3 maybe. We're half sized right now. I want to give it a chance to slice right through me if it's going to break. But otherwise, I'm going to get in short more. I'm getting in short more at 8.7. Yeah. At some point, you got to get full size. Now I'm full size. I'm full size now. We're risking more. I know. It sucks, but at some point, you got to get full size. And I gave it a chance to just go up and without me. And I guess that's not the right move, but that's what it is. I got in short more. Now I'm full size. Now we got to mark down risk. What is it? Yeah, now it's going against me big time. Doesn't look good. No, sir. Does not. The sinking ship pointing at time. So what is this zone? Well, to me it looks like, oh, I gotta mark down risk. 11 to 8.8. What's 11 to 8.8? Is 2.2. 2.2 with 8 contracts of MGC is $176. Now I'm risking a 176 here. 7 apples, 3.5 apples risk, full size at 0.25 R from 3.5 apples risk to 7 apples risk here. Oops. Yeah. I'm protected. That's all I know. This thing runs me. I'm out. I'm out. I'm good with that. No, I'm not good with that, but you know, freaking happens all the time. So happens all the time, mate. All the time. So 1 tick away from getting stopped here. 1 tick away. In my memory. And I'm out. I'm out. Gosh darn it. Full size on that. Fucking A. Darn it. It was a 5-minute holding split outside local distal line. Protecting free space of 2. What else is there? Recency is 2-3. Magnitude is 3-2. X score is 1, 2, 3, 4. Arrival is not that strong. Nope. Okay. Well, went 0 NA on that one. Absolutely nil. Nothing. Nothing for me. Another 7 apples gone. That should bring me to break even on the day. Should be. Yep. I'm up $50. Yeah, man. That's what it is right now. Crude oil still launching. I'm not going short on that. The only thing I would like to short up here, but I can't either. I can't do that. I said no. I made myself say no to this zone because it looks like shite on 3 minute. It's not even a zone. Up here is some 40s is valid, but I can't because that I know it's not in my plan. It's not protecting any free space. It's super low. The magnitude's crazy. It's definitely not a setup for me, even though I want to trade. ES. Falling slowly. I'm gonna go long on ES. What is that? 4? How many is that? Take the 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm in 4. I'm in 4. If this breaks this high again, 15.5, I'm in more. I'm in more. I'm in more. I'm in big time full sized position long on ES right now. I am in long on ES. Um, 90, 94. You gotta mark stops, my friend. Well, take this. This open is, I'm out at this open. 10.5, I'm out. How much risk is that? 15 point, about 5, 4.75. Oh boy, it's a little bit more risk than I needed. 190 risk. That's not horrible. 7.6 apples risk here. 7.6 apples risk on this one. 7.6 apples risk. Yep, that's what it is. 7.6. That's perfect. I'm supposed to be risking 7 apples, so that's fine. Full size at proximal at 0 R. From 4 apples risk to 7.6 apples risk now. Take this sinking. Wow, it is tricking me. It's tricking me. Why did it trick me? Why does it do that? How can it do such a thing to me? What a trickster. It's going up, protecting free space. It's forming a holding split. It actually wants to go up. Why doesn't it just go in my direction every time? Why doesn't this happen? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Absolute trickster, bro. Trickster. Straight trickster. I don't know. I just think that's... Alright, that thing loses then. I firmly don't know where this thing's going. Sorry, mate. Alright. So oil's come down a little bit. Take this. King have been pointed. Yeah, I got nothing on oil. Bean oil, let's take a look. Oh my gosh. It has just decided to leave. Look at that. See you later. Right when I was thinking it was going to be the bottom. It just decided not to be. Nah, man, this is a downtrend. Wow. That's bad. Not much I can do with that one. Yeah, not much I can do with that. That is just completely gone. I didn't think that that holding level would work so well. What the fuck? Look at that move. Man. We could have got in that. You know we could have. No, I don't know. I think the magnitude's a little bit much if I wanted to. Hindsight, of course, yeah, but this is a zone, dude. I'm not sure. Not sure I would have taken that. Even looking at it now, I'm not sure I would have. ES is giving me another chance. I'd just get out this low. 11.5, so 11.25, sure, save you a couple bucks. Saves you a couple bucks if it goes down. We're asking for this thing to break the high. Asking for it to look right straight at this high and go up. That's what we're asking for. What a range, though. I mean, it was really looking like it was going up, then it goes down. Really looking like this thing is going to push, because this is one big bar down. 1 hour of just straight selling here. Oh, never mind. Half an hour of straight selling, and then the other half just ran it up. Kind of crazy. And right now it's actually in the middle of the indecision. So this is kind of the worst time to trade it, to be honest with you. So I might, this is probably the last trade here. Because then it's going to be in complete range. Right now I'm still saying it's an uptrend, but really it's caught in range. Yeah. That happens. Crude oil, no. The only place for longs would be here, and I'm not sure, not sure. I'm not sure if I would take that. Depends on the arrival. If it goes straight down, that's... yeah. We'll see. Alright, gold's coming into a zone here. Not protecting much free space at all, though. Okay, that's better. That's better. I would take this zone. Take this sinking. 5 contracts. Falling slowly. Words they know me. 7 flat. We would go in long here. We'd wait for it. Wait for it to come down. If it wants to keep on going down, we'd buy it. I don't know if it'll do it. Man. Very close, though. Wow. ES is still not stopped out somehow. It's like been hanging around 4 or 5 ticks from my exit for a long time. Let's check on that. Yeah. I mean, it's been condensing range. If it pops this, I'm out of here. Very close now. I'm out. I'm out of this one. I was thinking it would work. It clearly didn't. You know, no trade is better than a losing trade, and I got to figure that out a little bit better. Rather not trade, because then you don't lose. If you don't lose, you don't have to make as much. We're in long. We're in long on gold. I gotta just print this picture and then we'll get to that. Fucking A, wrong picture. 93, please. We're in long big time on gold now. We're on full size now. Mark that, please. You gotta take a picture and you gotta mark your stops more. Roger that. You gotta make sure you take a picture at the moment, because that's the whole purpose of this trade. Okay, good. That's the trade. Good. Your stop loss is in place. Good. How much risk are you putting on right now? I gotta mark that. My risk on the trade at the moment was 3.5. Now it's so 8.8. So 18 ticks. 18 ticks with 10. 180 bucks risk. 7.2 apples risk. Excellent job. Excellent job. What is it? 7.2? Yes. Position sizing is great. Full size at 0R. From 3.2 apples risk to 7.2 apples risk. We're full sized. We are full sized. We're full sized. It's gone 0.5R. Nothing we can do right there. I thought it was a good trade. Position sizing is good. How to trade is good. 1007 entry. 9094 zone number. Take a picture. I already did. This was a 5-minute holding split. Protecting free space of 1. Recency is 2-1. Magnitude is 2-1. X score is 1, 2. Probably 2.75. What else? Arrival is a bit strong. Arrival is 1. This thing's gone 0.75R here. Pivot in the zone is 25%. You want to take a picture of the 3-minute because that's what I want to see. There was a little bit of a sniper zone underneath it. It could have stopped me out and gotten into that instead. And you'd be mad at yourself. Yes, that's true, but that was the risk I was willing to take. I had saw that beforehand and accepted it. Accepted that I would not re-enter the trade, for sure not re-enter, because that's a frickin' conflict for me. I cannot re-enter. Don't like re-entries. Cannot do that. 15-minute chart. I don't know how far it'll go. Never do. I'm asking for it to actually hold on and push. The trend is still technically up, in my opinion, here, but I don't know. The ES is range bound. Maybe the gold will do that same thing. 1R is hit. We got to move our stop to Piz. Piz, we're going to risk a lot less here, but more likely to get stopped out. 8.2. 8.1 is my stop. That's 9 ticks. That's $90 risk now. 3.6 apples risk on this one. Piz, because it went 1R from 7.2 apples risk to 3 point what? How many? I never remember. 3.6. Okay. Risking 3.6 apples. It's gone 1R. Hold on to it. I'm going to hold. No more adding. This is it. The trade's done. I just trail stop and exit when there's a formation against me. Take the sinking down. All right, here we go. So now I'm willing to go in short. I would love to, but I can't. I would be shorting right now. Without a plan, I would be shorting big time right now. Short, 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 heavy shorts. I'd be like pressing the button, not caring about my position size. Oh, press, press, press. Like my pressing buttons does anything to the frickin' market. Man, oh man. It has no control. No control at all. At all. No matter how many times you click the button. I would be short right now, though. But I can't. Put your money where your mouth is. You're right. You're right. I just can't, though. I'm trading 4 specific setups, trying to be specific. That is not one of them. Take this sinking ship and point on down, 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 down. Oh my gosh, ES. Are you serious? You're still trying to fake like you want to be an uptrend. It is, dude. That is choppy weather, man. I don't know how to trade that one. That's choppy. I can see it. I can see it's looking like an uptrend trying to. But I don't know how to do that one. You know. What, do you just buy now? I already tried to buy. It stopped me out. By the smallest bit. Stopped me out. I'd say tight too. Yeah, that's just a little bit strange to me. I'm going to let that break these highs maybe. There's a little bit of a zone above it here. This could work. This tiny little zone could work, but it's really small. I can't take it because it's too old. It's only 3 hours old. Doesn't matter. It's too old. The chart has done too much to get there. It's no longer a thing. Gold is struggling, really struggling here to do anything. Yeah, that looks like it's going lower. Yeah, in that case, I'm out at this Piz. We're risking half size now, even though we're on a full size position. Another stop. I don't like hitting so many stop losses. I don't like it. I don't like it. Don't like it, mate. Bean oil has bottomed a little bit, so we are going to be interested in going longs on this. There's a consideration of going this holding split right here. There really is. There really is. If this thing just rallies, I don't know, man. That's a consideration for sure. That's a consideration. I'd rather go long on it if it sets up to go long. I'm out. I'm out of gold. Darn it. Darn it. That sucks. Alright. Yeah, that puts us at negative 180 on the day. Yeah, we haven't had one solid win. We had one win in the morning, and that was pretty fortunate. But other than that, there's nothing. If this thing just rallies up here, I'm probably going to go short on it. All right, 5-minute bar prints. Let's see it come down a little bit and then do it. All right, other than that, I'm going short on this. 06, I'm going short on 06, bean oil. 06. Yeah, if that happens, yep, I'd be interested. Highs 15. Then I get blown out of the water, that's fine. 15 to 6, that's 9 ticks. Yeah, $108 risk. I don't want it to retrace. I want it to just go up, straight up, without retracement, because I'm going to be the retracement. That's what I want. It has potential to do that right now. It just has to break through this distal line. This distal line right here. It's having a hard time with that. It's gonna retrace, eh? We'll see. We'll see. If it retraces and then jams upwards, I'm actually more bullish on it. I know there's two contradictory things here, but it's a push from the bottom. That's a breakout end of trend, man. And it's already tried to bottom. I think it can do it. Now, if it rallies right now, it's not enough. I want it to push lower a little bit and then push. I want it to be like there. Like there. Because it would be creating a holding split. Just like this is a holding split, it would be creating a holding split on the bullish side. And right now, it's just not enough of a zone. It's just not enough. So I would wait. I'm going to wait. And if it creates that. If it doesn't, I'll go short. It's fine. But I do feel like I'm going to lose on the short, but doesn't really matter. We're in short here. We're in short. Doesn't matter what I think, mate. It just doesn't. Take this sinking and point it home. Oh boy. I only got partial fill on that. Uh-oh. I don't know what to do. What's protocol with that? Just leave it there? Okay. Just leave it there, I guess. Just leave it there, I guess. Okay, fine. I'm leaving it there. I'm only half sized right now. I mean, I'm only quarter sized right now because I got a half fill. Which is a little bit lame because I know I'm on the fucking simulator on my funded account. I know they put me on the simulator. They have no trust in me. 100% no trust. So they're doing estimates of fills. 1018 9095 zone number. Oh man, we're gonna have to jam in. We're in big time now. We're in 3 contracts. So we just got in full size because I could be wrong, but that's what I'm gonna add in. So we just got in full size. Our risk should be allocated correctly. We'll see though. We will see. 15-minute looks like this. We got in full size here. I think that's good sizing. I don't know. Now it's going against me. I have a bad feeling about it, but bad feelings don't run my world. 15 to 01, that's 14 ticks. 14 ticks with 3 contracts. How much is that? $252. That's 10 apples. Technically within your risk, but too much. Full size at 0.5 R from 3 apples risk to 10 apples risk. It was a partial fill. Position sizing is technically correct. Yes. You did well. Regardless. You're at maximum size, but yeah. Yep. This was a 5-minute holding split. Protected free space of 2. Outside local distal line. OE of 2. Recency is 2.3. Magnitude is 3.2. X score is 1. X score is 3.75. And now we just wait. It's gone 0.25 R only. That's not really good at all. So we'll leave that be. Gold got me out. I want to see if it got stopped out. Totally got stopped out. Wow. Well, that's good. That's good that it got stopped. And not just stop me out and then goes. I hate that. 9094 is closed. That one's done. That one went 1 R. BO long went 1.25 and stopped. Yep. 9090. Are you closed on 9090? Yes. What about ES short? ES short is still technically going on. I have to wait. All right. Soybean oil is about to get stopped. I didn't have a good feeling about it. I'm not sure why I had a bad feeling about it, but that's what it looks like to me. ES, I really want to go short up here, but I can't. Crude oil, let's see if it pushed lower. Wow, it sliced right through the zone that I thought would work. That's why we stick to our setups. Holy shit. Wow. This thing is really bullish. I can't believe it. Yeah. No, I'm not getting in front of that right now. I don't see anything to do. I have nothing to do here. I also think it needs a retracement, but I've tried saying, "Oh, market, you need a retracement? All right. Here's a little retracement." Wait, you keep on going? No, now you really need a retracement. Where are you going? No, you don't. You need a retracement. And the market just declines my offer every time, and I just lose money. So I'm not doing that anymore. Where is soybean oil? Can I trail stop at all in soybean oil? It's created enough of a piz for me that it's right next to my stop loss anyway, so I'm gonna save $1 if it does that. Save 2 ticks. That's fine with me, man. Fine with me, my friend. Fine with me. Point it home. Yeah, I got a mark that I trailed it to the piz when it went nowhere. You're just asking to get stopped out. Well, maybe I am, but I'm also asking to lose less money because I think it'll lose anyways if it hits my the piz. It's gonna slice through anyways, man. Doesn't make sense to have risk on 2 more risks. All right, piz, 100% piz. Yep, 100% piz. When it went 0.25 R, bringing this risk instead of 10 apples risk, we're risking a little bit less. 11 ticks. We're risking 198. Still a lot of money. 7.9 apples. That's better than 10. Just trying to save. Just trying to save. You know what would save? Having more wins. But it is good to lose small amounts. That's true. This thing's gone 0.75R, turning around a little bit here, but we'll see. 0.75R with a 100% pivot in the zone. It's a big pivot right there. I don't know. I'm relatively bullish on it, but trend is down, and I'm in trend, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, crude oil. Here we go. That has gotta work. Something's gotta trigger a short, right? Just doesn't look natural to keep on going up like that. It doesn't have to look natural. Who says it has to look natural? It's equal chance of going up and or down right now, even after it went this far up. Isn't that amazing? Equal chance after all these bars. Equal. Not saying bullish. I'm certainly not saying bearish either. That's my normal tendency, is bearish. Oh my gosh, it went so far up. It's got to have some retracement. No. That's an anti-breakout. In trend. 0.17 here. That would be CL, MCL. 5 contracts, long. I'd get a 25% off discount though. I would go for like something like this, 0.12. 8 contracts of MCL. Where you at, MCL? 8 contracts, MCL. 8 contracts at 32. We'd be in that. My stop loss would be at 22. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Here we go. We should be involved very soon here if we get filled. Otherwise, I'm not getting in. I'm asking for a coupon on the trade. I know. Stingy motherfucker. Trucker. Mother trucker. I would have been in. But no. I'm getting a coupon on this thing. I want it to go all the way down to here. I want a coupon on the trade, and now it just couldn't even do it. Breaks the low and gets bought up fucking immediately. I can't get a single coupon, man. Come on, man. And I wanted the first retracement. I can't do that anymore. I don't like it. I'm out. I don't like that. I wanted that retracement. Then I will stay out. Fine. I don't need to get in. I wanted that retracement. Now it's... I'm not sure about it. Because now the 3-minute would turn red too. Have a little big sell wick. Same as the 5-minute. If they're both aligned, maybe it's stronger against me. I don't know. I certainly would try to go short on this if it breaks that low in the past. But I can't now. I definitely can't. That is not a setup for me. Soybean oil is having a hard time doing anything right now. Looks like it's gonna break. Yeah, it tried. It freaking tried. It daggone tried. Daggone it. Is there any longs that I can do? No. Not really, man. Not really. You have to wait for any longs. Darn. Yes, there we go. That 1-minute zone is money, bro. Money. That shit's holding up for sure. That's what I'm thinking. I can't do anything about it. It's definitely not a setup, unfortunately, but that's a zone, man. I'd take shorts. No, I can't. Anything counter trend, the trend's for sure up. Can't do anything about it. I just have to sit and watch it do what I think it's gonna do. This zone is done. This went a lot. Oh, I gotta go very soon here. But I want to see how far this zone went. Oh my gosh, this went crazy. This went crazy. Maybe not that crazy, but... Oh yeah, it did. 11R. Unreal. This one went 11R and got stopped out. Wow. 9087. That's some volatility. That's some volatility, but it's not really going anywhere. It's just playing. That was zone number 9087. The crash of 87 right there. Went 11R downwards and gets stopped out. And I couldn't capture anything. I got out at break even. Of course. Look, it goes 3R in my direction all the way down to here. And then I get stopped out. And then it goes a fucking 11R without me. That it really do be like that sometimes, you know what I'm saying? It really do. We're still risking 7.9 apples on bean oil. Bean oil just is going my direction right now. We'll see if it can go any more. Look at that hold. I can't believe it's holding. That's awesome. It went 1.5R here. Can't trail, can't do anything about it yet. I gotta leave. So this is kind of a conflict here. So I'm going to get out. At what price? You're not supposed to get out. That's not how to trade. That's true. But I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know, my friend. I got to leave though. So I can't manage this trade. Set it to break even, yeah. We'll see. Yes, I think it's going down. I think it's going down now. I'll just sell short right now. Just do it, bro. You can't make me. I am trying to trade my setups. I would be upset about doing that. Why are you doing that? I think it'll work. Why do you think it'll work? Because this 1 minute holding zone. Why isn't this a setup then? Because maybe it is a setup, but it's not. It's too small. It's too old. The magnitude where it's gone too far, and then to come back to it is just, you can't do that. And I know it. I know that is wrong to take. Can't do it. We're down $179 right now. Realized, but we're up 130 on bean oil. What's bean oil at? 1R. Freaking 1R. I don't know if it has what it takes to break this low. I don't know. It's gone 1.75R. Our stop's still at the Piz, which sucks. I can bring it down to here. That's not my rules, but I am going to do that. This is why I get out of trades that go in my favor, because I do this bullshit. Risk less. 09. 09. So now I'm risking 8 ticks. Fine. That's better. I'm risking $144 now. 5.8 apples risk now. 5.8. Pivot Piz from 7.9 apples to 5.8 apples risk. Okay, cool. Now we're just chilling. We're just chilling we wouldn't. I gotta leave though, so I'm gonna have to get out. All right, I'll get out at 4R then. Why? No freaking reason. This is not how to trade. There's no reason to get out. What are you doing? I have to leave, bruh. I can't manage this. So I'm gonna mark this as a no on how to trade. No. It's a big fat no. If I'm setting a target, that's a no. It's an absolute no. So, but that's past the extremity, and that's something I'd be happy with. Target set at 4R, which would be 44.62. What's 62? Well, 62 to 01. What's 1 minus 0.62? It's 38 ticks. 0.38. Is $666. Wow. Is 26.6 apples reward if it gets there. 26.6. Target set at 4R. My trail stop is still risking 5.8 apples. Yeah, that's all we can do right now. It's gone 2R. It might turn around anyways. But we're prepped. We're prepped for a 4R, that's all. And then that's it. And then if it goes in my favor, I'd trail a little bit more. But this doesn't look like it happens, bro. Man. Okay. That's it. I gots to go. All right, mate. If we lose this one, we're gonna be down 10 apples on the day, $250. If we win, we'll be up a smaller amount, something like, I don't know. It's unlikely to win right now, though. And then that's it. That's it on the day. It's all right. Doing all right. I want more wins and I want less stupid losses. Just stupid losses. Some trades are just not as specific as I want it to be. Yeah. And I do get in. I happen to get in when it's not actually a perfect setup. I choose to get in. And there's a few of those today. There's 4 of those today out of 12 trades. 5 of those. 5 out of 12 were maybe iffy. Maybe a trade that I should have taken or shouldn't. So we'll have to check that later if it was totally a trade or not. All right. All right. Peace.